Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If Windows terminal is not working properly, keeps crashing, or you simply want to restore it to its default settings, here is the easiest way to reset it in Windows 11. Let's get started. Press Windows plus I to open the settings app. In the left pane, find and click the apps. On the right side, select installed apps. Now in the search apps box, type terminal. When terminal appears, click the three dot button next to it and select advanced options. Now scroll down to the reset section. Here you will find two options, repair and reset. The repair option fixes the app without deleting its data. Just click on this to repair it and wait a few seconds to repair Windows terminal. If that does not solve the problem, click the reset button. A confirmation message will appear. Click the reset again. Wait a few seconds again until the process is complete. That's it. Windows terminal has now been reset to its default settings. Keep in mind that this will remove your custom settings and restore the app to its original configuration. That's how you can reset Windows terminal in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.